Hello everyone. So this video is just about the highlights of my recent Spiti Valley trip. The Spiti Valley is in Himachal Pradesh in the northern part of Himachal. Spiti is known for its dangerous terrains and beautiful sceneries. Spiti Valley is also quite dangerous because the landslides keep happening frequently and we might get trapped anywhere. And most of the places in Spiti Valley don't have the network connection. So we started our journey from Bangalore to New Delhi by flight, and from New Delhi, Kashmiri Gate, we took bus to Shimla. So the next morning, we reached Shimla. When we reached Shimla, it was snowing a bit, and the temperature was very cold. It was a clear indication about what we are going to face coming forward. From Shimla, we took a bus to Rikhongpio. That was our next destination. So when we were going into the bus, we could see the whole Shimla. I personally wanted to stay and roam around in Shimla, but our main destination was to reach Spiti Valley. That's why we skipped visiting Shimla and continued our journey. The route from Shimla to Rikhongpio was very scenic. The whole route to Spiti Valley is full of twists and turns, so people with motion sickness might face some difficulties. So, in the evening of day two, finally reached Kongpyo. Since we had our bus next morning, so we stayed near the bus stand and took the bus to Tabo next morning. So, the route from the Kongpyo to Tabo was full of twists and turns, and we started to face some difficulty in breathing because of the high altitude. So our target was to reach those white mountains that are hidden behind those clouds. So this is what that kept us going, and we faced these extreme temperatures. In the afternoon of day three, we reached Tabo. Tabo is a beautiful town which is famous for its more than 1,000-year-old monastery, and Dalai Lama has also visited this monastery. Monastery is just a place where Buddhist people do their prayers, and monks live on those monasteries. We trekked up to some mountain hill to get a better view of the whole Tabo town. So from the top we could clearly see how beautiful the Tabo town is. Tabo is surrounded by two mountains. One side of the mountain is covered with snow, and the other part of the mountain doesn't have any snow at all because the other part is facing the sun directly. That's why the snow in this part has melted. The next place that we visited was the monastery of Tabo. In the monastery, we met with many monks and Buddhist people. For obvious reason, we didn't shoot with them. The monasteries are quite old and beautiful. It was my first exposure to Buddhism. There were some stupas also. The next thing that we saw was the Spiti River. So this river was coming straight out of the glacier. We trekked down to the from the Tabo village to go near the Spiti River. Its water was very cold. and very pure. We filled our bottles and tried its water, and it was very good. We stayed in a homestay with a family. So homestays are a kind of stay where we stay with a family and we eat food with them and share our memories. So from Tabo we left for Kaza town, so Kaza city. So Kaza is the main city of the Spiti Valley. So our plan was to reach Kaza by bus, but while we were waiting for bus, the owner where we stayed for homestay, right? His friend was also going to Kaza, so we got lift from him, and that was the last public transport that we had, because from now on from Kaza there is no public transport and network connectivity. So this was also the last place where we had some network connectivity, some internet connection. I guess being humble and polite sometimes pays off, as in this case we got lift. In the evening of day 4, we finally reached Kaza. Kaza was also a very beautiful city where we saw the world highest petrol pump, and this was the view from our balcony. For the next part of our journey, please stay tuned to our channel. And if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.